Hello, today I'll be making an Arduino project to demonstrate how a police siren works. So first of all, we'll be needing our breadboard and also an Arduino board, some jumper wires, resistors, LED, then also the buzzer. So then first of all, I'll start by connecting the ground part of the Arduino board to the breadboard. So then after that, I'll connect my LED to the board. After that, after connecting, I'll also connect the blue one. Then connect my resistors. So here, what the LED does is that it lights up and it lights up to see the police light. So here, also the resistors, they control the flow of current so that the LED doesn't burn out. So then after connecting the resistors, I'll also connect the buzzer. So then I'll use the jumper wire to connect this side to this side to provide electricity. So then I'll also do the same for all. Then I'll start connecting it to the LED to the Arduino board. So here I'll be connecting the first LED, which is the red one, to pin 8. Then I'll connect this one, the blue one, to pin 9. Then I'll connect the buzzer. I'll be connecting the buzzer to pin number 10. So now after doing this connection, I would like to connect it to the code I have here. So here the buzzer is responsible for bringing out the noise. So first of all, after connecting it, okay, so here's the code. So here the buzzer was initialized to 10. That's the buzzer here, and here is the LED one, which is the red LED over here. So it was given 8 here to 9. So here this code here is used to it allows the compiler know that the LED one will be an output and LED 2 be output, and also the buzzer be an output. So here this code allows the compiler to know that. And here we have the digitalWrite, which helps control how the LED lights up, whether high or low. So here the LED one is made high to bright up, and also the buzzer here. And here this code here controls the code. This code here controls how the buzzer should sound. It controls the buzzer. So here are the frequencies I've given to it, and here is basically the same thing as the first one. So here there's also that's it. It's basically the same one. And here there's a delay here to also help make the code much more better. So first I'll now compile them. I'll be compiling slide 2. Here this is how it will sound. This is how it sounds. So this is what I've done. So this shows that this is what I've done. So thanks.